Hi everyone, so today we are reviewing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kits. Now, this packaging is mesmerizing. It kind of makes me want to have like an aneurysm, but I mean, it's sick. And let me show you guys the inside. So these are the colors. It's absolutely insane. I'll do a little pan here of what the palette looks like up close. I am very excited to try out this palette for you guys. I love highlighters. This is my first colorful, weird highlight palette that I've gotten. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm wearing every single shade right now. I have this pink one right here. I have like more natural one on that side. It's just a party on my face, basically. That was weird. Anyway, so let's just like get into this review. It's gonna be a quick video and I hope you guys like it. So let's go to the swatches. So first we have Wish, which is a pearl base with violet sparkles in it. Then we have Unicorn, which is a lavender with pink, I'm leaving that in there. Lavender and pink sparkle clusters. All right. Then we have Magic, which is an icy base with a kaleidoscope cluster of red, gold, pink, and blue sparkles. We have Ethereal, which is a cool-toned lavender duochrome with blue reflective sparkle. Next is Sunshine, which is a lavender gold shift. And then last is Regal, which is a golden pink base with a light kaleidoscope cluster of pink, gold, and blue sparkles. Anastasia, you are doing too much. All right, so now that we've done our swatches that you can't really see, we can try these on. So like when you look at them, it's not very like wearable looking because like there's so many different colors, but like when you swatch them, they're pretty natural looking. All right, pause. Honestly, I would be the idiot to get this on my shirt. So let's just like go in here. I'm using this Real Techniques setting brush. I use it for highlight all the time. All right, so let's just go in here. So I have to sneeze. Alright, we're good. Okay, so let's just go in and try all of them if that's possible. So let's just start with this first one called Wish. This is the most natural looking one. I'm using the mirror behind me, by the way. Honestly, like really natural looking. Honestly, I got it on my shirt. Why am I stupid? Oh my god. Yeah. Anyway, so now let's go in with the second one. This one is called Unicorn and it's like a pink color. So we're just gonna try that on the other side. And I'm kind of scared of this one because like this one's the most colorful. So let's just go in. Okay, this is actually sick. I don't know if you can like really see it. Wait, I would not wear this every day, but this is absolutely sick. Like clean off my brush on toilet paper because I'm just like really classy like that. And we can go in with this one called Magic. It almost looks green, but they say it's an icy base. So I don't really know what that means. We can go in with that and just put it like here just so we can look at it. Oh my god, that's literally glitter. Oh my god, yeah, I would not recommend this if you hate glitter. That doesn't look right. I feel like this color would be better as an eyeshadow or like something like that instead of like a highlight on your face. I mean, like that one's really pretty. It's a little more finely milled. Even this one has like a almost like a velvety like shine to it, but then this one is so glittery, and it even says in the description that it's all just like sparkles, so I could see why, but like holy. So let's go back in here. We can go in with this purple one. It's called Ethereal. Yeah. So this one's called Ethereal, and I'm just gonna go in and do that same thing on this side so we can look at it. So let's just like go in. Oh god. Okay, that one's not as bad. Oh my god. I have purple on my forehead. What is this video? Do you see how it's like a purple shift, but then away from that, it just kind of looks like a natural glow. Now let's go in with Sunshine. So I'm gonna put that one on my nose as like a little nose highlight because I feel like it's also one of the more natural ones, so let's just do that. Let me get a mirror. This is our mirror today. All right, so let's just go in with the nose highlight now. It's on my finger. Oh my God. Kind of rub it in. Do you see that? That's really pretty. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but up close there are like very slight purple glitters in it, but you would not notice it in person unless you were like, hey, let me look at the color of your highlight. Obviously you can see from far away. That's just like a nice little like sunny glow. Yeah, I really like that. I would definitely use the sunshine one every day. I approve of that. Then last we can go in with this one. It's called Regal, and I honestly feel like this is gonna be one of my favorites. I don't know, like when I swatched them in Ulta, I just felt like a connection to that one. I don't know, I just felt like it'd be really pretty on my skin. Okay, so for this one, I don't really know where to put it, so I'm just gonna put it on my hand so you can see it like diffused, and then we can put some like in the inner corner and up here just so we can like see it in action. Okay, yeah, this one is amazing. I kind of wish I used this earlier. I don't know if you can really see it, but do you see how it has like a rose gold kind of like sheen? I don't know, I just really like that. I'm just gonna take it and put it on my inner corners and like in my eyes. Not in my eyes, but like on my eyes. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. This one has a really good texture. I really like this one. Do you see that? Like in the corner right there. And then I'll just put it on my brow bone. Yeah. Wow, that's so pretty. Okay, I don't know if you guys like what your preferences are for glitter, but I'm gonna be honest, this palette is really good texture and the colors are absolutely amazing. Like I'm in love with the colors, but if you don't like glitter or like just even like sparkle, you just want it to look like really like satin and like smooth and not really like a glittery thing on your face, I don't know if you're gonna like this palette. I will say that most of the colors are a little more of that like natural highlight. Like this is really pretty, this is really pretty. What I just used on my eyes is really pretty, but you can see like in there's like some glitters. The only one that's like extremely glittery though, that looks like you put glitter on your face, is this magic color, but everything else I'm in love with. And like looking at it in the mirror behind me, it doesn't look glittery at all except for this one. I think it's a good palette. I've entertained the idea of getting like the Moonchild palette and all those like other colorful highlighting palettes, but I just felt like they weren't as, I don't know, like they seemed almost like more chalky, and this one seems to be like really smooth and has a good formula to it, so that's why I finally decided to get this one as like my weird color highlight palette. But I do really like it and I do recommend it. Hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know. So anyway guys, thanks for watching and I will talk to you soon.